Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the FOXWELL NT614 Elite OBD2 scanner. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior working on your own car, this scanner can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. So, let's get started. The FOXWELL NT614 Elite is a powerful OBD2 scanner that goes beyond just reading basic engine fault codes. It allows you to diagnose problems in 4 key systems: engine, transmission, ABS, airbags. This scanner can also perform 5 special service functions: oil light reset, EPB electronic parking brake service, throttle relearn, ABS bleeding, SAS calibration. Let's see how to update the FOXWELL NT614 Elite. The FOXWELL NT614 Elite is a great option for DIY car enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. It's user-friendly enough for beginners but powerful enough for experienced users. FOXWELL NT614 Elite OBD2 Scanner, Pros and Cons. Pros: powerful diagnostics, special service functions, compact and portable, user-friendly features. Cons: no battery power, no touchscreen, limited to OBD2 functions. If you're interested in learning more about the FOXWELL NT614 Elite OBD2 scanner or want to see it in action, check out the links in the description below. Overall, the FOXWELL NT614 Elite is a versatile and user-friendly OBD2 scanner that can be a valuable tool for anyone who wants to diagnose and repair their own car. With its ability to read codes, view live data, and perform service functions, it can save you time and money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.